Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Friday night. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We made it through the week. And one piece, we have another special Amazon unboxing to do, coming from my good friends over at LANMU. I do believe it's a power strip mount desktop surge protector power strip clamp holder. This is really cool. Black pack of 2. So they have a good deal going on right now. Click on the link down below. In case I do have any discount codes, it'll be down at the bottom. So definitely check them out and see what other goodies they have to offer. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast shipping. Get this in no time. You can add it to your Amazon wish list for Santa Claus coming up. There we go. You could just hook these up. Hold on one sec. Alrighty, we got the surge protector right there. I think this is like an Amazon basic one. Not too sure, but it fits pretty much all your surge protectors. And then you could clamp it on to like a desk, anywhere you want. Pretty much like a shelving unit you could clamp on. I'm gonna try it, do it. Just figure out which way this goes. That's the first time ever doing one of these type of deals. Okay. Well, that would be kind of like this. Okay. I see how it goes. It's got a twist down here till it meets your height of your desk or whatever you want to mount it to. I'm going to do the shelving unit. Clamp it in. One sec. So this is really cool. I see what these are. Here we go. So you go like this pretty much. Have it like spread out. And take your... Hopefully I don't disconnect anything. I need it. And you pretty much go like this, and it will hold it in place, so wherever it's mounted to, kind of like that, you see. Let me put you guys down for a sec. Hold on one sec. Here we go. See, it's holding it like that. This clamps in, and then holds it. So really cool. So check them out, YouTubers. It's clamped. You limit on Amazon Prime. You guys be safe, have a great weekend, and see you guys soon. See ya.